but I will keep you more. Okay, I'm starting. I am always trying to fix something when I am about to start these videos. Don't be like me. I am always trying to fix them before these videos. I sit down to film them and I'm always messing up and then I have to come back. It takes me hours before I can get it fixed. It's always working to get it a little better than what it was yesterday. So now I'm sweating. But it's just because it needed a little adjustment. Since I got this new lens, I have to keep making adjustment and fixing. Hopefully, one of these days it will be where it needs to be. But right now, we're rolling with just that. Hello, everyone. Welcome to Makeup Without Limitations. I am glad you are here. We will learn something today, and there will be a message to uplift you. I pray this video meets you well and leave you in a better space. I am going in with the second color. So far, these are both mattes. I am Is that a shimmer? It looks like a shimmer. Let me put my glasses on and check because without my glasses, I can't really see. Which color? Yeah, it is a shimmer. I just picked up a shimmer. I thought that was a matte. Hello. This is too funny. Well, we're rolling with that shimmer. I wanted a matte, but hey, are we flowing? I thought this was a matte. No glasses on. Oh my Lord, my God. Always remember you first. Love yourself plenty. Never give up. Don't ever give up on yourself. Life can be hard behind the scenes, but I don't want you to give up. Seek help if you need help. Please seek help because it is not easy. I have had a lot of appointments because I'm getting ready to have eye surgery, both eyes. As time goes by, I will keep you posted because I am having both eyes done in February of 2026. I have talked to you about my sun growth. It has now gotten to the point where it is going towards my eye in, well, my seeing perimeters. So I need to have it taken out. I knew about it. The doctor and I've been monitoring it. And now, when I did my December eye checkup, he's like, we need to get it removed. It's too big now, and it is too big. You can see it. It's like all the way from here, all the way here. And this one is from here and it's here. So since I'm going in for this one, we'll just take this one out also. So that's what's happening in 2026 February. Today's I am motivational word is I rejoice in my unlimitedness. I rejoice in my unlimitedness. I want you to rejoice in your unlimitedness. Do not limit yourself. Take chances. Always remember you first. Love yourself plenty. Never, ever, 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 ever give up on self. Be unlimitedless. I love you. You belong. You worth it. You are loved on this channel. Please remember to hype this video, share it with someone else, and be creative. This is me in my element, and I want you to see the look that I created today. This is it. Until I see you and you see me, do not let anything limit you. Don't let age limit you. Don't let any other issues that you have limit you. I mean, we all have our challenges, but let us stay unlimitless. I love you dearly. See you soon. Bye.